Unless you live under a rock, you know that Nikkietutorials announced that she is transgender. She also said that she basically felt she was forced to come out because people have been blackmailing her and threatening to expose her, which is illegal. I, like many people who are fans of Nikkietutorials, are wondering who could be the person who's been doing this, and a post from a Dutch gossip blog entitled "Should I Expose Nikkietutorials?" dated 2018 might have the answer. Welcome back to InformOverload. We do the news, we spill the tea, we keep you entertained with the freshest content on YouTube, and that is a promise. I'm Charlotte. Hey, how are you? Nice to meet you. If you subscribe, we get to hang out every day and I get to tell you about the juiciest stories that are currently trending. So do it. I'll wait. I'm assuming you subscribed. First of all, I want to start off this video by giving a shout out to Matt Bardot for his video Nikkietutorials Transgender Blackmailer Exposed. If you haven't already, go check out his video on the subject and subscribe to his channel. Here's what he reported and translated himself. Someone posted to the forum in Dutch, "A friend of mine told me something and I am so shook. And yes, it is a real rumor because my friend's best friend is Giami." Like Nikkie, Giami is a well-known Dutch blogger and YouTuber. She has 250,000 subscribers, nowhere near as close to Nikkie's amount of subscribers, but you get the point. This person revealed later in the forum, "Okay, here it goes everyone. Nikkietutorials is transgender. She did a shoot with a cameraman who told her he saw M on Nikkie's passport, which indicates male. So what could have happened is Nikkie did a shoot with this cameraman and then he later told Giami about it, which by the way is absolutely none of his business, but then Giami told her best friend who then told this person who posted on the forum." Now there were some people in the comments of this video who doubted the validity of this man's story, like this one. "She was on hormones since she was 14. She said she fully transitioned by the age of 19. She makes a lot of deals and signs contracts with brands. All that paperwork requires at least a copy of your ID. In the case of her collabs with American brands, her Dutch ID would have no legal value, so she would have to provide a copy of her passport for any legal stuff. A lot of people involved in this, it would have to have gotten out a long time ago. She also said she doesn't disclose her past unless she feels safe with someone. She didn't even tell her fiance for a long time. This means there's no way to know unless she tells you. I'm having a very hard time believing her passport says M at any point, or at least since she became popular." While the technicalities this person is pointing out do make sense, there are definitely people who could have known the truth about Nikkietutorials' past. According to people in the comments of Matt's video, there are other forums as well. People who went to school with Nikkietutorials growing up, and they knew she was born a boy. I should also let you know that all the people who were replying to this forum were very supportive and said that it didn't really matter. And according to some drama tea channels, Too Faced Cosmetics CEO Jared Blandino's sister might have also known as well, based on how she responded to Nikkie's coming out video. She typed, "Transgender, huh? That's not the only thing she's been lying about," into her Instagram bio. For the record though, before you go and cancel Too Faced Cosmetics, Jared Blandino fired his sister from Too Faced and said that he was disgusted with her comments. He also said that he was proud of Nikkie for coming out. So that is all I have for you on this one, guys. You should tell me your thoughts on this update down in the comments. For now, I'm gonna wrap this one up with some comments from my last video about Nikkietutorials. Volair said it's better that she did it herself than by being blackmailed. Yeah, I think it's probably better to take the power back, to be honest. Looney Spoony said, "We were witnesses to the freeing of someone's soul yesterday. It was not only magnificent but also a privilege. Nikkie has always been and continues to be a boss babe." Yes. I completely agree. It was a really, really good video and like I'm super proud of her. Jimmy said, "I live for Charlotte clapping back at people through these videos." Yeah. Alright, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want more. I'll see you next time.